if I told you that the same kojic acid that can brighten up your skin can as well damage your skin? Yes, that is when it is used the wrong way. If you use kojic acid the wrong way, it can cause damaged skin barrier, it can lead to skin irritation, it can also lead to darker patches on your skin. So you need to watch this video so you know the right way you can use kojic acid so it doesn't damage your skin. But the problem here is not about using kojic acid, it is about how do you use this kojic acid. Kojic acid is a very good ingredient when it has to do with brightening up the skin. It's one of the very potent skin brightening ingredients. You can use it to brighten out your hyperpigmentation. You can use it to brighten out dark spots on even skin, okay? But the problem here is, how do you use kojic acid? Are you actually using it the right way? That is what determines if it is going to help you achieve that result you have in mind, or is going to damage your skin. One of the mistakes people make using kojic acid is using it every day without finding out if their skin can actually tolerate using it every day, okay? And if your skin cannot tolerate using it every day, it will end up irritating your skin. Another mistake people make in using kojic acid is using kojic acid with other strong active ingredients. That is one of the things that is going to damage your skin. Kojic acid is already a strong active ingredient, so if you want to use other active, please make it minimal. If you want to use kojic acid with other actives, make it minimal, and don't use all of them at the same time. You can just spread it through your routine, okay? Spread those active through your routine. Don't overload your skin with actives. I know you want to tackle the hyperpigmentation, but that's not the way to go about it. By loading your skin with so much active, you can spread those active in your routine, and you can spread them within the week. That way it's it is more effective. It is not going to end up damaging your skin because you kind of allowed your skin to breathe in between your routine. I don't know if that makes sense, but what I'm trying to say is that if you spread this active, the usage within a week, that way your skin will breathe in between and is not overloaded. That's what I'm trying to say. Your skin is not overloaded. So using kojic acid with other active in a particular routine is going to irritate your skin, okay? It's going to damage your skin barrier. Another mistake people make in using kojic acid is overusing kojic acid because they want to see fast results. I saw a video of someone on TikTok. She was talking about how she was able to lighten up her skin using kojic acid and some other products, but she said she was using her kojic acid soap every single day, and I felt like this is not really good. There are some products that contain small percent of kojic acid. You can actually use those ones every day, but those ones that are high, they have high percentage of kojic acid in them, you're not supposed to use them every day. You're not supposed to use them every day. But she said she was using hers every day, which I do not kind of agree with that. It is better to use it like 2 times or 3 times in a week. So overusing a kojic acid because you want to see results faster is just you damaging your skin. Healthy skin is also important. In as much as you want to get a brighter skin, do not throw away the fact that your skin must be healthy. You must focus on the health of your skin. Another mistake people make using kojic acid is not wearing their sunscreen during the daytime. After using kojic acid products, you just step outside without using your sunscreen. You are going to damage your skin. You are going to irritate your skin. You are going to damage your skin barrier. That is not the way to go about it. Anytime you know you want to use a kojic acid product, please wear your sunscreen before leaving the house. Please wear your sunscreen, except you're using it at night. Maybe using it at night. After using it, you just go to bed and sleep. Here are the signs that you are overusing kojic acid. Number 1 is dry and tight skin. Your skin will feel very tight and dry because kojic acid strips the skin of moisture. So one of the things you should always do whenever you use a kojic acid product is to moisturize your skin heavily. Moisturize your skin heavily. Make sure you're using a very good moisturizer alongside. Another sign of overusing kojic acid is redness, especially the fair skin ones. You begin to notice that your skin is beginning to look reddish. That is because you're overusing kojic acid. Another sign that you're overusing kojic acid is skin sensitivity. The sensitivity of your skin increases. And situations whereby your skin sensitivity increases, it can easily lead to sunburn if you don't use sunscreen, especially if you don't use sunscreen. It can lead to sunburn. Your skin sensitivity increases because of the overuse of kojic acid. Now, here is how you can use kojic acid and not have any issue. Number one, start slow. Start slow. You can use it 2 3 times in a week. Okay, do not overload your skin, just start slow. Okay, use it 2 to 3 times in a week. Number two, moisturize very well. Make sure you're using a very good moisturizing body lotion, a moisturizing face cream. Once you're using kojic acid, moisturize your skin very well. Just like I said earlier, kojic acid can actually dry out your skin, can make your skin tight, so it's important you moisturize your skin very well. Another thing is, always put on your sunscreen before leaving the house. Once you're using kojic acid, it is important you use your sunscreen. Okay, do not sleep on your sunscreen. There are very good and affordable sunscreen out there you can always put in your bag. Do not sleep on your sunscreen. It is very important so as to protect your skin from sunspot, sunburn. Help your skin, okay, by putting on your sunscreen. If you feel any form of irritation, it is important you stop using for a while. Okay, it is very important you pay attention to how your skin responds to acids, to how your skin responds to actives. So if you feel any form of irritation, it is important you take a break so as to know if you can actually continue with this product or if you can actually reduce the number of times you use it. Okay, take a break, allow your skin to breathe, and re-strategize on how best you can use this product. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, in as much as you want to brighten up your skin, always bear in mind that the health of your skin is as important as the skin itself. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do also subscribe to my channel. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.